All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Solana. See what is happening with the price of Solana and, of course, what is yet to come. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Apologize, I wasn't able to give you guys an update a little bit earlier. Of course, you guys know I give you guys updates midnight according to my time zone here in North America. But today I decided to sleep in. And there's these comments, the funny comments that come from my community members, saying Crypto ZX doesn't seem to be sleeping, but guess what? Crypto ZX decided to sleep today. But anyways, if we're looking at majority of the markets, as the market is, starting, as the new day is starting, we're seeing, quite a bit of red across the board, and that is due to BTC seeing a little bit of a retracement, and of course, Coinbase, not Bass, Coinbase and SEC news as well is playing a huge role in my opinion as to why Bitcoin is seeing also a little bit of a minor retest. But as far as a majority of the coins go, like I said, they're in red, but there's still a little bit of handful green across the board, and of course, Solana is one of them, up 1.9%. So let's take a closer look at Solana, see what is happening. As you guys know, huge 2 to 3 weeks ahead for Sol. As I've mentioned, we did see Solana above the $100 psychological price point just a few hours ago, but like I said, as the price of Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a retracement, Solana has also retraced, but Solana continues to hold really strongly, with the price currently sitting at $98.40. It's up also 3.6% in BTC comparative over the past 24 hours. Also, market cap currently sitting once again above that $42 billion mark, to be exact, $42.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently approaching that $3 billion mark. Absolutely insane stuff. But before we go any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, looking at this, breaking $34 million of decentralized volume was traded via BonkBot IO in the last 24 hours. This is huge, and this only makes me more excited as far as Bonk is concerned. And also on top of that, if you guys do not know, the Solana Sega phones, we all know, we all want to grab a Solana Sega phone now, especially after, what kind of incentives, these people are getting. And I think Solana saw an opportunity to bring it back, market it back. But the twist is that if you pre-order it for $450 USD, if you pre-order it now, you don't get it till 2025. So there's a huge, almost a year wait till you get that chapter 2 phone. But I'm going to be grabbing it for myself because I think the incentives will pay off for itself. But again, that's just my own personal opinion. You guys always want to purchase thinking if you can afford it on top of that, and if you really need it. But I will definitely get my hands on this because I was unable to get it even on the first one. So that's that. And also, you guys can see this for yourself. Solana did 13 million. Listen to this. Solana did $13 million worth of NFT sales over the past 24 hours. Absolutely huge. And speaking about NFTs, there was a huge Solana NFT, highly hyped up. I think it was called Crypto Deeds, which had mint yesterday, and a lot of people were able to successfully grab their mints, and that is huge. And again, this kind of reflects as to how popular the chain is, and it's giving me the early vibes of the NFT explosion that we saw on Ethereum last bull cycle. We remember that. If you were an early comer to that, what happened, and what happened in terms of some of those NFTs going to some next level prices. Some were sitting at $500,000, which is absolutely mind-blowing to say the least. If you had one of the ones with had rare traits, you were seeing those even sitting at $1 million. And the ones I'm referring to is punks, and of course Bored Ape. So absolutely insane stuff happening as far as the ecosystem is concerned. And also Jupiter, they did launch something called mock Jupiter, which was to test. And what they're doing is they're testing how this overall the day 31st of this month, when we do have people that are eligible for the Jupiter coin airdrop, they're testing it. Love the way they're testing it so everything goes smoothly. And what they did was yesterday they sent out allocations to everyone that was eligible for the same amount of Jupiter they are eligible for in mock Jupe. So what that happens is mock Jupe is just a test, and what some of the community members did was they came and added liquidity to that coin, and that coin, I kid you not, went to a market cap of $40 million. You can't make this up. $40 million. And I tweeted about this yesterday. I went because I had $100 on my wallet, and I wasn't doing anything, and I was willing to take the gamble. I understand I could lose all of that money, but I just converted it more into mock dupe, and let's see where it goes. I think the potential is definitely there for this mock dupe thing. If we're seeing so many other meme coins flying, I don't see why this one cannot gain traction, especially the one that was launched by the Jupiter team itself, and the people that were unable to get the allocation on the actual Jupiter airdrop. I think they will see this opportunity to take. But again, that's just my own personal opinion. Remember, these are highly risky plays. You could literally end up losing all your money, and I'm going in it with literally my mind made up that I've lost my money at this point, but I am definitely willing to take that risk. But that is that. Let's take a look at the price of Solana right now. Before I look at the price of Solana, I want you guys to take a close look at BTC. So what we're seeing with BTC is Bitcoin did make its way up to this resistance level, and we've seen a rejection as we started this morning. Of course, you can see this for yourself. And as far as Bitcoin dominance goes, you guys can see Bitcoin dominance currently sitting at 51%. This is insane, and this is a huge reason as to why we're still seeing some coins in the green right now, because dominance is sitting quite low. Even though BTC has seen a little bit of a pullback, we're still seeing dominance pulling down, which is a huge sign for altcoins, and that is lovely to see. But as far as Solana is concerned, guys, I'm loving it, loving the way Sol is holding. Of course, it made its way back up to $102.66 just a few hours ago, but seeing a little bit of a minor retracement. But a continuous reminder for everyone to understand the significance of the 61.8 fib zone. You can see this for yourself. We did see a rejection, of course, seeing a little bit of a minor retracement, but I think Solana is going to be able to reclaim back above these levels sooner than a lot of people think, especially above this resistance at $108.28. Last time the price of Sol was actually above that resistance dates back to the 3rd of this month. So it's been quite some time. We've been battling it out with this resistance several times, but we've seen a rejection. But I think that is going to change leading up to this Jupiter airdrop, and a lot of airdrops coming, a lot of things happening for the Solana ecosystem. I'm very excited. So that's that. If you are one of the Solana big fans, and you were seeing the prices hit almost $130, well, the opportunity is there for you to grab it at a cheaper price right now. Of course, everyone, when the prices are going like this, these parabolic moves, everyone continuously says, why are we not seeing a retracement? Well, when the retracement comes, only a few people really actually pick it up. So that's why there's a famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. The ones that are greedy during the times of uncertainty are the ones that do end up doing well long term. But that is it for today's update regarding Solana. Love what I'm seeing, but I'll keep you guys updated as we do go further into this upcoming week. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.